In previous class, we have started our journey
from Bomdila to Tawang.
Now we have reached Tawang. Let us listen next to paragraph. Come and join with me.
गाड़ी में हमारे 5 आसामीय दोस्त थे. In our vehicle there were 5 आसामी friends. एक अरुणाचल प्रदेश का और 2 केरला के and 1 अरुणाचल प्रदेश का and 2 from केरला. सबको भूख लगी थी. All were hungry. एक होटल में सब ने खाना खाया. From one hotel we all have our food. यहाँ का भोजन कुछ अलग ही प्रकार का था. The food of this hotel was a different type. यहाँ के लोग उबला हुआ खाना खाते हैं. The people of Arunachal Pradesh, they have boiled food. उबला हुआ खाना means boiled. उबलना means boiled. तेल मसाले का ज़्यादा उपयोग नहीं करते. They use less quantity of oil and masala in their food. यात्रा फिर शुरू हुई. We started our journey again. यात्रा की थकान के कारण हम खाना खा के जल्दी सो गए. Because of the tiredness, we ate food and we sleep early. उन्हीं कपड़े और कंबल बिछाकर सूखी निद्रा में डूब गए.
We were so tired so that we didn't change our dress and went to the bed and covered our body with the blanket.
सोने से पहले अनिल ने नित्य कर्म डायरी लिखना नहीं भूला. अनिल did not forget to write his diary. यह आदत उसे अपने दादाजी से मिली थी. This habit he got from his grandfather, which habit to write diary. दूसरे दिन सुबह हम जल्दी ही उठे. Next day we wake up early. तैयार हो जाने के बाद गाइड टोको को साथ लेकर हम निकल पड़े. After get ready, we set out with guide Toko. Guide Toko is a person who will show the whole Tawang. पर्यटन स्थानों के साथ साथ उन्होंने पौराणिक गुफाओं को भी दिखलाया. He not only shown the पर्यटन स्थानों means tourist place साथ साथ but with that उन्होंने पौराणिक गुफा means ancient caves. He showed the ancient cave also. शहर के बीचों बीच हमने देखा यहाँ चौराहे के किनारे एक बोर्ड पर लिखा हुआ था. In the center of city, in a junction, we have seen a sign board. In that it was written that तवांग शहर चाचूम, थपा और पारनचेन इन तीनों क्षेत्रों में विभाजित है. The Tawang city has divided into 3 areas. The area names are चाचूम, थपा और पारनचेन. यह 113 गांवों में फैला हुआ है. This city had spread into 113 villages. गांव means villages. यहाँ के लोग मोनपा जनजाति के हैं. मोनपा यानी हिमालय के निवासी. This area people are known as Monpa Janjati. It is Monpa Janjati is a religious which means Himalaya ke Nivasi, means mountain area people. So I hope you understood this chapter. If you have any doubt regarding this chapter, you can ask. So read these 2 paragraphs very well. Next live class, I will call one by one to read the paragraph. Okay, get ready. Those who are not reading, they want to send me a voice clip. Thank you.